Kia ora ana. I te ira, ka ono no te tātou i te tai au tuanga, i te tauturu, ki a marama tātou i te au tuanga hakapapanga, i te au akapauanga muni i roto i te tuanga Kimi Puapinga. No atu, e Kimi Puapinga me i te tāhau, me kore, kimi anga Puapinga lahi tāhau, ko te iau takaianga te ka anu ia ki a marama tātou, ka riro te i te tauturu i a koe, i te kimi rāwenga i te tauturu i tāhau Kimi Puapinga. Ono mai, te akamata nei tātou. Ko te ia te tahi au tuanga, ka anu ia tātou ki a marama. E hitu au tuanga i laro nei. Tahi, te tūranga o te auaka papahanga muni. Rua, te au tuanga o te aka papahanga muni. Teru, te au tuanga Kimi Puapinga. Whā, te au tuanga Kimi Puapinga rikiriki. Rima, te puka muni. Ono, te aka koroanga o te aka papahanga muni i rauka e te au aka pauhanga muni. Hitu, te au takainga no te tātāhanga i te aka papahanga muni i rauka e te au aka pauhanga muni. Ono mai, te puapinga o te aka papahanga aka pauhanga muni. Ko tētahi tuanga puapinga te ia, ka anu ia tātou ki a marama. Tahi, kia kitea te haereanga o te au puapinga, me kore te haereanga o te au muni, ki roto e pera te au aka pauhanga muni i roto i tāhau tuanga Kimi Puapinga. Rua, kia rauka i te anga i tētahi au aka papahanga muni, i rauka e te au aka pauhanga muni. Teru, kia rauka i te kauraro i te au tuhanga o te tero Basileia. Ko te au tuanga, ko tētahi tuanga puapinga te ia. No atu e me ka tūtaki tāua i tētahi mea e tauturu i tā tāua tuanga Kimi Puapinga. Me kore, ka hoko tāua ki tētahi tangata. Me kore, ka kaiho tāua, ka anu i e te iau mea, kia rekotihia, kia kitehia te o muni e aka pauhia e pera te o muni i rauka mai nei i tāhau tuanga Kimi anga Puapinga. Ko te ia tētahi au kite, ka anu ia tētahi u atu tuanga Kimi Puapinga ki a akono maria e i kite no te au aka pauhanga muni e pera te o muni e rauka mai nei i te au tuanga Kimi Puapinga. Te ia te mea mua, ko te invoice. Te tuanga o te invoice, me tuku hia tētahi, me hoko tāua e tētahi mea ki tētahi tangata, e kore taua tangata rai tūtaki wawe, no tētahi tuatau te iakataka ia, me tētahi terunga huru rā, ononga huru rā, me kore iwanga huru rā, ko te ia the invoice. I roto i te tuanga, ka anu ia tāua, kia hoko mai tētahi mea no roto i te toa, tētahi toa lahi me te CITC Rarotonga, e ka tuku mai te CITC i tētahi invoice ki a koe, ka tairia tētahi terunga huru, ononga huru, me kore iwanga huru rā, e tūtaki e tāua i te invoice. Teru. The credit notes. Me kua lahi tā tāua tūtaki anga i tētahi mea i hoko mai e tāua no roto i te toa, tētahi toa lahi i Rarotonga me te CITC, e kua lahi ake te muni i te muni ka hoko e tāua i te au mea, ko te ia, ko te credit notes. Whā, the receipt. Me hano mai tētahi tangata ki a koe, hoko i tētahi mea roto i tō toa, tuku atu koe i tāna receipt, i te wariro te ia i kite, e kua hoko ia tētahi mea no roto i tau wharetoa. 5. te receipt, me kua lawe mai koe te tahi, me kua ota mai koe te tahi au kai, te ka vero kura tui tō whare toa, me tai te CITC rarotonga, tūtaki koe nā roto i te panka, tuku mai rātou i tau receipts. O tei e te kite, te akairo, e kua tūtaki koe nā mea i ota e koe no rarotonga. Ono, ko te au akairo i runga i tau checkbook. Ko tei e te au akairo, ka ano ia i te kite e hia muni i aka pauhia, kua tūtaki ia ki a hai, e te la i tūtaki i ai. Hitu, Statement of Accounts. E akairo te ia nā te o ona toa lalahi i rarotonga me te CITC, i te aka kite mai i te au aka pauanga muni tāhau, me kore te o mea tāhau i ota ki rarotonga, ka tuku ia mai tau statement. Varu. Bank statement. Ko te au akairo, ka tuku mai te panka ki a koe, i te hopenga e nā marama, i te akaire mai te au muni te iaka pauhia, o roto i tau tuanga kipi pōpinga, e te au muni te i raukahia, i te au tātou i pankai koe i te au muni no roto i tau business. Taka ki me te au kite tāku i urua te tūtahi, ko tētahi u atu akairo, ko tētahi u atu kura, tētahi u atu tātāhanga, i te akairo i tētahi au tuanga nganga te rawe ia i roto i tau kipi pōpinga, ka anu i e te ia, kia ākono māria ia. E aka kohu i te ia tuanga. E mea puapinga, kia ākono māria koe i te au akairo, te au kite, te au kura, i te au atianga e rauka mai ai te tahi au puapinga, me kāre, i roto i te au atianga e aka pou muni ai koe, ka anu ia koe ki a ākono māria i te au tūranga. I roto e nā tuhanga i muri mai, ka titiro atu tātou i te tahi au tuanga te ka rauka i te tauturu i te tātā me kāre i te aka papa i tētahi au aka pouanga muni te ka rauka i te tauturu i a koe. Ono māria mai. Single entry system. Ko te e tahi tuanga pūpinga, no te au tuanga kimi pūpinga rikiriki. Ko te au tuanga e kore e mākona ana te au tuanga e hoko ia nei, me kore e lahi ana te au aronga e hano maina ki te tau whare toa, me kore e lahi ana te aka pauanga muni, e kimi puapinga meiti. Ko teia te tuanga ka rauka i te tauturu i teia au tuanga kimi puapinga rikiriki. I roto i teia tuanga kimi puapinga rikiriki, ko te mea puapinga, ko te au muni te ka rauka mai i roto i tētahi tuatau e tānganga ia nei tau tuanga kimi puapinga, e tātā i ana, me kore, ka rekoti ia te au muni e rauka mai nei. I tētahi tua, ko nā muni, me kore nā kapauanga muni e riro nei i te tauturu i tau tuanga kimi pōpinga, ka anu katoa i e te iau tuanga, kia tātā ia, kia kore ngaro. O teia tuanga, aka kouanga, te tātāanga i te au muni te irauka mai, e pera te au muni te iaka pauhia. I teia tuatau, ka ono tātou i te tuanga puka moni. A kaire atua i te tahi au tuanga i te tauturu me kore i te tūramarama i te tū e rekotia i tātou me kore tētahi o atu tuanga kimi puapinga i te au moni e rauka mai nei e pērā te o muni e ka pau ia nei, nā roto i te taituanga retita, me kāre e puka, vairanga i te iau a ka pauanga e te iau tuanga te i rauka mai. Uru i e ratu te reo papaha e cashbook. Te rua, a hono tātou i te tahi au tuanga i te api i atu i te tū e rawe ei i te iau rekotianga, nā roto i te Excel template i runga i te roro uira. I mua ke tātou ka hanua tue ki roto i te katoanga o te tuanga moni, puka moni, te i te tahi au tuanga ka hanua nui e tātou kia marama. I roto i te o tātou e rekoti ia te o moni te irauka, me kore te o moni te ia ka pau ia, ka anō nui e tātou i te akairo i te tuatau, te lā, te marama, te matahiti. Rua, te aka koroanga o te au moni te pau, me kore te au moni te irauka. Teru, ehia moni. Ehia moni te irauka mai, me kore ehia moni te tūtakihia. Whā, te account. E mea puapinga ki aka taka ia i roto i te au tātāhanga, me e moni te ia kua rauka mai i te tuanga kimi puapinga, me kore e au aka pauanga moni. I roto i te rei papaha, te income, me kore te expense. Tā mau maria i te iau mea, ki a riro e tauturu i a koe i te tātāanga, me kore i te aka kianga i te puka moni e ki a tau.
In this activity, we look at how Kora balances her role as an environment officer while also running Auntie Kora's Pizza Hut. In September 2024, she records various transactions including pizza sales, customer returns, payments for suppliers, and expenses for utilities, staff wages, and maintenance. She has asked us to record these transactions in a cash book for her. Here's how to record transactions in a manual cash book designed to track daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly cash transactions. We use the white pages to record daily and weekly transactions, and at the end of each week, we sum up all the weekly transactions on the blue page. And finally, at the end of every month, total all the monthly transactions on the yellow page. I will now complete the activity and then go through the solution afterwards. In week 1, from the 2nd to the 6th, total sales are $300, with a $25 refund to the customer and an electricity payment of $101, totaling $126 in cash paid out. This results in a net profit of $174 for the week. For week 2, from the 9th to the 13th, sales total $250, while $326 is paid for the ingredient supplies and a cashier work. Note that the transaction on September 10th is excluded, as it was not a cash transaction. According to the cash basis method, only transactions involving received or paid cash are recorded. This leads to a net loss of $76 for the week. In week 3, from the 16th to the 19th, total sales are $200, while cash expenses amount to $485 for rent, oven maintenance, and a $65 payment for an invoice dated September 10th. Following the cash basis method, the transaction is now recorded as cash has been exchanged. Additionally, the September 19th transaction is excluded because it was a credit sale. This results in a net loss of $285 for the week. Having recorded each week's transactions, we now summarize them on the blue page. In September, total sales amount to $750, representing the cash received during the month. Operational expenses, however, totaled $937, resulting in a net loss of $187 for Auntie Kora's Pizza Hut. Consistently recording weekly and monthly transactions like this makes it much easier to summarize at year end. Now, let's move on to the yearly reports, which we will summarize on the yellow page. If monthly transactions are completed throughout the year-to-date net loss would be $187, based solely on September's results. Essentially, this yearly summary serves as the statement of profit or loss, which is crucial for evaluating business profitability and determining tax obligations. You've now seen how to record transactions in a manual cash book, demonstrated in a standard format, though you can choose your own style. Remember to keep your records neat and organized at the end of the reporting period to ensure easier understanding and summarization into reports. You may have also noticed the challenges of manually recording transactions and summarizing them for reporting. We will now shift our focus to the Excel template. Please click on link 2 below to download and open the Excel template that we will use in this activity. On this Excel template, it has the option of setting up your chart of accounts, recording transactions, and generating a statement of profit or loss. Now, based on the activity, let us first set up the chart of accounts for Auntie Kora. The chart of accounts classifies whether the charging account is an income or an expense. Next, let's record the transactions for the month of September. You can now see that all transactions have been recorded, noting that every transaction has a date, a description, an amount, and an account recorded under, whether an expense or an income, depending on the nature of the transaction. Let's look at a report that can be generated from this data, called the Statement of Financial Performance or Statement of Profit or Loss. This statement summarizes income and expenses over a specific period, showing whether the business has earned more income than expenses, which is a profit, or incurred more expenses than income, a loss. In this report, income represents cash received, while expenses represent cash paid. In this tab, we generate a profit or loss statement to assess Auntie Kora's financial performance for September 2024. The report shows that Auntie Kora's Pizza Hut incurs a loss of $187 for the month, with total net income of $725 and operating expenses of $912. While this report covers just 1 month, the same analysis to the entire year from January 1st to December 31st, 2024. As a business owner, understanding your annual profit or loss is essential, as it reflects your overall performance and also influences your tax obligations to the Inland Revenue team. Click on link 3 below to download the solution to our activity. You can then compare your answer with the solution provided.
E ia ka kohu i tā tātou api. Kia mahala ia tātou, i nā tuanga, ia ka tua i tātou, te ia. Te puapinga o te akapapanga i te au moni, te irauka, e pera te au akapauanga moni, e tauturu i a koe i roto i te tuanga kimi puapinga. Ka riro katoa te ia o tātaanga, i te tauturu kia marama koe i te puapinga te rauka mai nei a koe i roto i taha o kimi puapinga. Ka rauka katoa te ia i te tauturu i a koe kia rauka i a koe i te kauraro ki raro i te o tuanga ture pasileia no te tero. Me e rave tātou te ia o tuanga puapinga, ka kitea te puapinga o te o tuanga kimi puapinga. Ono mai rā, kia pāpū tā tātou laweanga, kia tira tū tā tātou laweanga i nā mea nei, e i riro e meitaki noho e tāhau kimi puapinga.